It's Monday. Tom picked up the white base trim this afternoon, and he started putting in the base trim. So now everything looks really brand new, white, nice and white. Ooh, oh, there's Billy Eye glowing Bill. Look at that eye glow. Come on, why don't you zoom in? Come on. Doesn't want to zoom, whatever. Okay, a new white door. I think he painted that over the weekend. I don't know what happened to the zoom. That's annoying. Oh well, you get the picture. Monday. Tom went and got the base trim. Oh, and yeah, he painted the door the other day. Forgot to take a photo of that. So he bought the base today, got home this afternoon, and come on, focus. Where's the focus? Hocus pocus, it's out of focus.
I can't do no more. I don't have no more.
Yep. Guess who painted in the bathroom? So then will come some new trim. Oh boy. Always busy. Hee hee.